Yeah, come
In the top of the head.
Don't shoot anybody.
Look at the top of your head, 2 of them.
That was excellent, Jen.
Oh.